A macro is a tool to configure system responses to events. Axxon Next features three types of macros: event rules, automatic rules, and cycle rules. Automatic rules are used only for detection-triggered responses. Automatic rules cannot be launched by the user. After you create an automatic rule in any detection tool's settings, it appears in the Programming tab. Three recording modes are available: always, never, and time schedule. If a detection-triggered recording is required, click the plus button and select Record to Archive from the drop-down list. When you create a Record to Archive automatic rule for motion detection, the default condition to stop recording will be motion detection triggering end. You can use other events to conditionally stop recording. To configure pre-alarm recording, specify the pre-record value in seconds. The default pre-alarm recording time interval is the value specified in archive settings. Changing this value with a specific macro does not affect archive settings overall. Event rules macros are used for event-triggered and user-launched responses. You can use the following additional commands in macros: wait till previous action finishes, wait for timeout, wait for event. Here's an example of an event rules macro that indicates the video signal was lost from a camera during an audio file playback. Set recording mode to always. Select the signal lost event for the required camera, and the voice notification on client action. Next, you have to specify the user and the duration of audio playback. Click Apply. You can also initiate this macro without waiting for the signal loss event. To allow it, go to the dialog window and create a button to initiate the macro. Let's consider an event rules macro that starts recording from a camera on Monday at 8 a.m. Create a time schedule in the Options tab. Click Apply. Enter the name and select time schedule, beginning in the event list. In the response list, select a camera and set it to Record to Archive. You have to specify the target archive. Click Apply. Cycle rules perform various actions in a cycle with a specified timeout. Cyclic macros cannot be launched by the user. The timeout between cycles is 1 second unless you include the wait command in the cyclic macro. Let's take as an example, a cyclic macro to open layouts and the map once every 10 minutes. Create a cyclic macro. Set recording mode to always. Select the required layouts to be displayed, and specify the timeout. You have now learned how to configure macros.